Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Starting and operating a simple business, from planning to implementation. Manifest understanding of starting and operating a simple business. Starting and operating a business involves recognizing opportunities, planning systematically, and executing decisions to achieve goals. A simple business, like a sari store, food stall, online selling, or small service venture, can grow when the entrepreneur understands the fundamentals. 1. Understanding the basics of a business. Definition. A business is an organization or activity engaged in producing, buying, or selling goods and services for profit. Purpose: to satisfy customer needs and generate income. Types of simple businesses: trading, buying, and selling goods. X, sari store, online shop. Manufacturing, producing goods. X, baking, handicrafts. Service, offering skills or expertise. X, laundry, computer repair, tutorial. 2. Steps in starting a simple business. Identify a business idea, based on interests, skills, and resources. Analyze needs and wants of the community. Example: if the community has no nearby milk tea shop, this can be an opportunity. Conduct market research. Who are your customers? Who are your competitors? What price will people pay? Choose a business name and structure. Decide whether it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or cooperative. Register the business with proper agencies, DTI for name, BIR for taxes, LGU for permits. Prepare a business plan, a written guide that explains how the business will operate. Sections usually include executive summary, business description, market analysis, organization and management, products and services, marketing and sales strategy, financial plan. Secure capital and resources, savings, loans, or investors, equipment, supplies, and manpower needed. Comply with legal requirements, permits, licenses, and tax obligations. Launch the business. Start operations with promotion and marketing to attract first customers. 3. Operating a simple business. Production operations, making sure goods, services are available. Marketing, promoting, advertising, and building customer relationships. Finance, managing cash flow, pricing, and profit monitoring. Human resources, hiring and managing workers if needed. Customer service, ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. Implement the business plan. Once the business plan is developed, implementation means putting ideas into action. This is where the entrepreneur turns planning into real operations. 1. Set clear goals and timelines. Short-term goals: attract first 50 customers in the first month. Long-term goals: break even in 6 months, expand after 1 year. 2. Mobilize resources. Use funds according to the budget. Acquire equipment, materials, and tools. Hire staff or assign roles. 3. Execute marketing strategies, promotions, flyers, social media ads, discounts, distribution, online delivery, walk-in sales, pricing, competitive but profitable. 4. Monitor and control operations, daily sales recording, tracking inventory, comparing actual performance with the business plan, adjusting strategies when necessary. 5. Evaluate performance. Did the business achieve sales targets? Are customers satisfied? Is profit being generated? 6. Make improvements. Innovate products or services, expand market reach, manage costs better, train employees or improve skills. Summary. To manifest understanding of starting and operating a simple business, an entrepreneur must identify opportunities and prepare systematically. Know the process from idea, research, planning to execution. Operate the business effectively in production, marketing, finance, and customer service. To implement the business plan, one must set clear goals. Mobilize resources, carry out marketing and operations, monitor, evaluate, and improve continuously.
Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What is a business? A. A hobby for fun. B. An activity that earns profit by selling goods or services. C. A school subject. D. A family tradition. Give one example of a simple business. A. Owning a large factory. B. Running a sari store. C. Being a president of a country. D. Working in a bank. Why do people start a business? A. To spend money only. B. To help friends. C. To earn profit and satisfy needs. D. To play games. What is the purpose of a business plan? A. To decorate the shop. B. To guide how the business will run. C. To borrow money from friends. D. To keep secrets. What does capital mean in business? A. The city of a country. B. The money used to start a business. C. A type of food. D. A store's customer. If you want to start a small food stall, what is the first step you should do? A. Buy expensive furniture. B. Think of a business idea. C. Close the shop immediately. D. Sell without planning. You have 500 pesos. How will you use it to start selling snacks in your neighborhood? A. Keep the money in a wallet. B. Spend it on clothes. C. Buy ingredients and materials for snacks. D. Give it to friends. Compare a sari store and an online thrift shop. How are they similar? A. Both are not businesses. B. Both sell products to customers. C. Both require government elections. D. Both are schools. Do you think a business can succeed without a business plan? A. Yes, because planning is not needed. B. No, because a plan guides operations and decisions. C. Yes, because money is enough. D. No, because businesses fail always. Imagine you want to start a small laundry service. What is a simple first step you can do? A. Buy washing machines and promote the service. B. Close the shop before opening. C. Refuse to accept customers. D. Forget about the idea. Thank you and God bless you always. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.